Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to this new amazing video tutorial. So in this tutorial today, I will show you that how you can change the WordPress website permalink structure, okay? So by default, the WordPress permalink structure is plain. This means is if I click on this blog, and if you just take a look at our permalink, this is actually the permalink structure, which is actually not SEO friendly, but we have to make this SEO friendly. And if I also click this product wish list page, you can see that this one is also not SEO friendly, but we have to make this permalink SEO friendly. Okay, so for doing that, simply go back to your WordPress dashboard, and then from here scroll down. All right, and from here click on settings, and from settings you have to simply click on permalinks. All right, and from here you can see that by default plain is selected. Okay, but I want to make this post name, so simply select post name from here. Okay, and then scroll down. Actually guys, post name is really SEO friendly, so I'm just selecting that post name, and from here click on save changes. All right, and then you can see that it says permalink structure updated. All right guys, so let me just visit our site, visit the site. Okay, and then from here if I click on blog, you can see that our permalink did not update it yet. So what I have to do is simply go back again and simply change this, and again go back to your go and select post name, and again save changes. Actually this happens sometimes. Okay guys, and then you can see that permalink structure updated. And let me open my website in a new incognito window, and then press enter your website URL. And from here, let me show you that how our permalinks looks like right now. Okay, all right guys, so if I click on blog, you can see that our permalink changed successfully. Okay guys, let me just close this pop-up. And if I go to any single blog post, simply click on this blog post, and this is going to take us to the single blog post page. So you can see that our website URL, and after that we have this beautiful looking post title. Okay, I hope that you have understand how you can change the permalink structure of your WordPress website. Right now, let me show you that how you can actually add a custom permalink. Okay, add a custom URL of your website, of your WordPress blog post or your page. Okay, so this is actually going to help if you are going to add any specific permalink for any post. Okay guys, so simply let me open this post in a new tab, and I'm going to edit the permalink only for this specific post. Okay, for doing that, simply click on edit post. Okay, and from the Gutenberg editor, we will change the permalink of this specific post. Okay, so simply select this title from here, and at the right hand side you can see that we have options here called permalink, and from here you can see that this is our URL select, but I want a different URL select. So for doing that, simply remove this, and let me add here best 7 home HOME decoration. Okay, from daily web dash service SERVIC. Okay, I hope that you have understand guys. And then guys, simply click on update. All right guys, and from here simply click on view post, and this is going to take us to the single blog post page, and you can see that our permalink updated successfully. This is our custom permalink for our specific post. Okay, so I hope that you have understand how you can change the permalink structure and how you can also add a custom permalink to any specific post. So guys, that's all for today. I hope that you like this video. So if you really like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. And if you face any problem or if you have any questions, then you can simply comment down below. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel for these types of useful video related to WordPress, Wix, Magento, Shopify, PrestaShop, etc. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Love you all.